Mind-blowing AI upgrade. ChatGPT Plugins will change everything. Welcome to the exciting world of ChatGPT Plugins. In today's video, we'll explore how these innovative tools revolutionize AI interactions by enhancing ChatGPT's capabilities while maintaining safety as a core principle. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more groundbreaking updates. The need for plugins. Ever since the launch of ChatGPT, users have been eagerly anticipating plugins to expand its functionalities. Language models today are limited by their training data, which can be outdated and may not cater to specific applications. That's where plugins make all the difference. The power of plugins. Imagine equipping a language model with eyes and ears to access real-time, personalized, and specific information. Plugins not only empower ChatGPT to access up-to-date information, but also enable it to perform safe, constrained actions on behalf of users, enhancing its overall usefulness. Plugin rollout and collaboration. Plugins are gradually being rolled out to users and developers from the waitlist, with initial priority given to a small group of ChatGPT Plus users. Exciting collaborations have led to the creation of the first plugins by Expedia, FiscalNote, Instacart, Kayak, Klarna, Milo, OpenTable, Shopify, Slack, Speak, Wolfram, and Zapier. InHouse Plugins. Two plugins are being hosted by OpenAI themselves, a web browser and a code interpreter. Plus, they've open-sourced a knowledge base retrieval plugin for developers to self-host and augment ChatGPT. Plugin examples. Here's a glimpse of what users can expect from these plugins. With browsing, ChatGPT can access recent information from the internet. The Code Interpreter plugin allows ChatGPT to use Python and handle uploads and downloads in a sandboxed environment. And the Open Source Retrieval plugin can search personal or organizational information sources for relevant content. The future of plugins. As OpenAI learns and improves safety systems, they'll continue to iterate on these plugins, enabling developers to integrate them into their applications. OpenAI is excited to build a community that shapes the future of human-AI interaction. Join this journey, and let's revolutionize the AI world together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Comment down below which plugin you're most excited about, and stay tuned for more updates from the world of ChatGPT.